Hi guys, today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. They sent me over one of their newest wigs. This is their 7x5 Yaki textured bye-bye knots lace closure wig with soft flip out bang curls. The lace on this wig comes pre-plucked, pre-styled, and completely ready to wear. Perfect for my beginner girlies. So let's go ahead and try her on right out of the box. So guys, first impression, this wig fits my head perfectly. And I also really love the way the lace is looking. It doesn't really look like I have to do too much. Also, the hair comes pre-curled, so that is absolutely perfect. Like I said, this wig would be perfect for my beginner girlies that don't really know how to do their wigs, but I am going to show you how I install this wig if I was to keep this wig on for a few days. So first, I just go ahead and add on a little bit of my adhesive spray around the lace. Make sure that it is laying exactly where I want it to be, and then I just go ahead and put my edge band on to make sure that lace really lays down and melts in. So next, guys, I'm going in with my wax stick just to make sure the top of that head is nice and flat, the top of that lace. And then we're going in with the hot comb to just press it down even more. Y'all, it's nothing I hate more in this world than a bulky wig that really looks wiggy. So make sure that you do not skip that part. Take that hot comb, lay it down, and this is pretty much what the wig is giving. I went ahead and took the edge band off just so you guys could see. The lace is looking really good, but I wanted to really blend in with my skin a little bit more, so I'm just going in with a little bit of my powder for my face, and I'm adding that on the lace so that it matches my skin complexion just that much better. And guys, this is what the wig looks like right out of the box after combing through those curls. If you like that soft, effortless, you know, curled look, fluffy curls, this would be perfect for you. But I am not going to keep it like this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add a few curls into this. I am using my Baby Bliss flat irons. And since these curls came super effortless, I actually really love that look. But I'm adding a few more curls into it just to give it a little bit more volume and make the curls a little bit tighter. So after curling the entire head, this is pretty much what the curls look like. I did not do like super small, tight curls. I made the curls a little bit looser. I just wanted it to have more volume, and I wanted those curls a little bit more defined. And this is definitely giving me more of the vibe that I want. I will say I absolutely love the texture of this hair. I feel like it curls really nicely. And because it is a yaki texture, it looks a little bit more natural. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the finished look. So if you get this wig right out of the box and you want to see how it looks, this is what it would look like. And yes, this is pretty much the look that I ended up getting. I just kept shifting the wig over to give my desired placement. And I tucked that closure behind my ear. I did end up taking a little bit of my edges out around the ear tab to make baby hairs, and created a little bit of baby hairs in the front as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get these together. But yeah, y'all, that is the trick. Like, I see a lot of girls doing behind the hairline closure installs, or leaving their natural edges out in front of the closure. It definitely does look a lot more natural when you do it that way. Although I am not doing behind the hairline because I'm doing a closure wig, and there's no ear tabs, of course. I just took my natural hair out around the ear tabs, and I'm going to swoop that and also use a little bit of that hair to camouflage that lace.
I just want to know where we go from here. I don't want this love to...
Y'all, I don't know what it is, but me and a side part go together real bad, okay? I just love a good side part, for real. I can do a middle part here and there. I do other hairstyles, but I think my signature style is definitely a good side part hairstyle. And y'all, this wig is so versatile, whether it's middle part, side part, it just looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and leave Nadula Hair Company's wig website down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, smooches.